Calamansi is a citrus fruit tree also known as Seed Fortunella microcarpa or calamondine. It grows natively in the Philippines. Calamansi trees bear dark green fruit and white flowers. Like most other citrus trees, calamansi When growing calamansi, you can follow these easy steps. Choose a ripe big calamansi. To get the seed from the fruit, cut it at the bottom part so the seeds will be protected. Get as much as many seeds cause we're not really sure what seeds will germinate. Let it dry under the sun. From seedling, fill a small container with a mixture of half peat moss and half sand, or just an ordinary soil will do. Water the seedlings but not overwater. Place the pot in a shaded area. After 3 to 6 weeks, you can already see small little leaves that popping out. Now, you can transfer the pot in a little sunny area but not in direct sunlight. Continue watering whenever the soil feels dry. If you see a few sets of leaves, you can transfer it in a large container about 4 to 6 inches deep with potting soil. You can also apply diluted potassium fertilizer. Then you can place the pot in a sunny area because calamansi tree loves sunlight. This calamansi tree, we bought this way back here 2014. At the time, the height of this plant was around 10 inches tall. She flowers, but the flowers always fall. We almost dig her and throw her away because she never produces fruit. Then I researched in YouTube how to grow calamansi. They said you have to prune it and take away all the useless branches for them to bear fruit. When I did that, after a few months, it started to flower and produce fruits. Calamansi to your clothes with stain, or scrub your hands with calamansi to take away unpleasant odors. This fruit can also use as alternative to deodorant, and it can also whiten your armpit. It's not only the fruit that is beneficial, but also the calamansi leaves. It is packed with certain properties and beneficial to our health because it contains antibacterial properties, antifungal activity to treat diseases caused by fungi, especially on skin. You can also use the leaves to relieve itching from insect bites. Out of calamansi leaves, you can make essential oil and use it as aromatherapy at home. That's all, guys. Thank you very much for watching.